naman ang kaban ng Casot Santa Mirna.
O, ito muna. Bisitahin naman natin ang original at walang puknat na K-Kantahan Caravan saan?
Barangay West Rembo, Makati. Panoorin po natin mga kaibigan.
Ba't nakain mo?
Kami naman wala lang mamimigay kami ng 25,000 pesos linggo-linggo. Kaya, text back na!
On one, unahan sa Katayan with...
Kudet!
Wow! And Canteen!
Yeah! Sa pagbabalik ng All-Star K! The 1 million peso video K challenge!
Aming hired Kaylers na si Wally and Terry Anor.
Yes! At nandito na tayo ngayon sa one-on-one unahan sa Katayan!
Ibigay kami ng clue tungkol sa kantang May Blanco.
Pwede na kayong pumindot kapag sinabi na ang music.
Kung mali ang kinantang Blanco, may chance ang mag-steal ang inyong kalaban.
Ang player na mas maraming tamang sagot sa 5 kanta ang panalo sa one-on-one unahan sa Katayan. Kaya, Kudet, kay ka na!
Hey na!
Canteen K ka na?
Hey na!
Kay na kayong dalawa!
Hey na, Kay!
Let's play one-on-one unahan sa Katayan dito sa All-Star K, the 1 million peso video cake challenge! Here's clue number 1.
1990 ballad hit song ni Cathy Dennis.
Music! Si Kudet ang nauna. Pakilakas?
Ayan.
Too many things have been said around us, but it seems to give up, they still never will. Deep in my heart, I know that you understood.
That's wrong! Pantin!
Pwede kang umagaw. Ano yung missing word? Hindi mo alam?
Hindi niya rin alam. So, 0-0. Ang tamang word ay
Strength.
correct.
Lingik.
Here's clue number 2.
Hit song ng Righteous Brothers noong 1965 at ginamit ito sa movie na Ghost noong 1990.
Op, sandali lang. Wait for us to say music. Kudet!
Sayang. Oh.
Oh, my love, my darling, I've hungered for your touch.
Seryoso siya, ha?
I love lonely time.
Dapat talaga serious pag clean ang buhok.
Ito na. Ito na.
And time goes by, so lonely.
Wait.
So
Pan-
slowly,
Pantin?
slowly.
And slowly is correct.
1 point for Panty!
0 for Kudet. Here's clue number 3.
Hit song noong 1993 ni Mariah Carey mula sa Music Box album.
Music.
Panting!
There's an answer if you look into your soul.
Wait. Medyo mali yun, Pantin. Kudet, you have a chance to steal. What's the missing word? When you blank into your heart.
When you fall,
Wrong!
Sorry. When you
reach
Into your soul.
When you reach into your soul. And here's clue number 4.
Top 10 hit single ni Rod Stewart noong 1993. You've got to wait for us to say.
Wait.
We've got to say
Music.